Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rosemary, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make rosemary hair growth oil. Yep, please like the video and comment so that the video can be recommended to more people who want to grow long hair. I will be using dried rosemary leaves. I bought these at Discount for 60 rand, and I will also use olive oil and sunflower oil. So this is the bottle I'll be using to mix and store the mixture, and finally I used 1 tablespoon measuring cup and half cup, which is 125 mils. I measured 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. As you can see there, that is the tablespoon measuring cup. The benefits of rosemary leaves are they promote hair growth, they reduce dandruff, they reduce hair loss, and last but not least, rosemary leaves improves scalp health. I will then measure half cup of both olive oil and sunflower oil. You can use any oil. I am adding sunflower oil to fill up the cup because wow, the price of olive oil keeps on increasing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the cup with olive oil. And so these oils have their own benefits, such as softening hair, strengthening hair, and also they can repair hair damage and many more other benefits. So then I will mix everything together and store for about 3 to 4 weeks. So if you want the oil to be even more potent, you can add more rosemary leaves so that it can be more potent. And I'll keep on stirring until the mixture is even, and this is how the oil looks like. It's very light. And this is how the oil looks like after 1 week. As you can see, it's now a bit darker compared to before. So after infusing, I will filter the mixture and transfer to my oil bottle. And these are the materials I'll be using. I'll be using a white sieve like that, and I'll just pour the mixture out and filter the leaves, and the oil will easily pass through. You can apply this oil twice a week or 3 times depending on your hair type and scalp ability to retain product. You can also use the oil as a pre-shampoo. Apply it on your hair and wear a plastic and keep it for 30 minutes and above, then wash it off with shampoo. This oil will help you to detangle before wash day, so that's why it's good as a pre-shampoo as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, and also share so that YouTube can recommend the video to more people. And I will see you on the next one.